to spend another 2.5 hours out there shoveling snow and using the snow blower, but a lot of shoveling. So anyways, I'm gonna skip the treadmill today. I'm just gonna see how long I can go on the Gazelle. All right, I gotta take a break. I'm just still too sore from being out there, and my ankle is just bothering me. I almost slipped out there on the on an icy spot while I was cleaning the driveway, and I kind of rolled a little bit, pinched a nerve in my ankle. I thought it would work out, but I'll be back at this here a little bit later this afternoon. Okay, so some interesting things have been going on in the last hour and a half. Shortly after I went to at the office, I was going to take my boot off and work my ankle. Get a knock at the door. I get a delivery of some wool gloves, not the mitten gloves, but the total gloves. And you know, got them. Outside package is really cold because it's cold outside. And I don't know, I did a review on that over on Camp Patton Family Compound. Anyways, as soon as I got my review, I popped the video open immediately. I mean, turned the camera on, did the video, started loading it up. I get a ping on the computer about well, first I saw on Facebook, saw a heads up. Then I got a ping saying that NOAA had raised the winter storm watch, which is the lowest level, up through advisory, through warning, through blizzard watch, blizzard advisory to blizzard warning. And what was listing as possibly a half inch of snow, less than a half inch of snow possible for tonight, is now showing 1 to 8 inches of snow between now and 5 o'clock Saturday morning. Anywho, I just saw on, I was just checking some other stuff on the computer, and someone posted on there, this is the first blizzard warning we've had in eastern Idaho in 8 years. So anyway, so now I'm going to get back on the Gazelle there and try to get some my rest of my exercising done. So I got a total between the two times, 152 calories on there. Took 21 minutes to do it on the Gazelle. Yeah. I like the treadmill for some of the stuff, but if the handle's a little bit higher, I could handle a little bit better. But it still does the impact on it. I think I'll get some sort of low impact incline. I forget what it's called. It's sort of stair stepper type thing. That's low impact that gives works more muscles and stuff than the Gazelle does. And yeah, and for those, I've gotten several comments about, why don't you just go out for a walk? I'm sorry, I'm not down in the southern states. I'm up here in Idaho, where we've got a blizzard going on right now. And from about October till May, there ain't going out and walking hardly at all, because snow on the ground, ice on the ground, and there are no trails around here. The nearest trail is like 40 miles away at the base of the Grand Teton. And if you want to go in the woods, you got to go up another hour up through the roads and stuff to get up into the woods on the Tetons. So no, I'm down here in the farmlands, okay, where when it snows, the wind blows, you don't go out in the wintertime. So this is what I'm trying to do to try to get myself in shape, lose some weight during the wintertime, keep my metabolism endurance up through the wintertime, so that come spring, I can get out there in the garden, I can shovel, I can work, I can haul stuff around, I can go walk around town, see everybody. Right now, you don't walk around town. All right, so get yourself better prepared, including physically, and if you can, plant an indoor garden, all right? And I believe, yeah, MI Gardener still has the discount going on for Grow Big TV. It's #GrowBig. If you get $22 worth of seeds, you will get the 20% or 10% discount plus free shipping. All right? See you around.